Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u square, we have 2u. This one, we have 2s. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, that's it from here. So we put number 0 going here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 3 when s equals to number 4. So I will put number 4 going here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 5. So number 0 we change by number 3. Number 4 we change by number 5. This one we change by u. S ds we change by u du. So this one we have number 1. The integration of du, we have u, and we put the bounds from number 3 to number 5. So we have 5 minus 3, we have number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.